In this video, I will be talking about some important questions of EAMCET, which is based on isoelectronic species. So isoelectronic species are those species which have equal number of electrons. They may have different radii. Like sodium ion has 10 electron, magnesium 2 plus has 10 electron, aluminium 3 plus has 10 electron, Si4 plus has 10 electron, fluoride ion. Fluorine has 9 electrons, so 1 minus means 1 electron added, so it has 10 electron. Oxide ion, O2 minus has 10 electron. Nitride ion, N3 minus has 10 electrons. C4 minus ion also has 10 electrons. So these are regarded as isoelectronic species. So question based on their radii has appeared in EAMCET exam. So do prepare, student. You have to remember that ionic radii is inversely proportional to Z by E. Z is atomic number and E is the number of electrons. So find out the Z. Z you already know. Electron you know. In isoelectronic the number of electrons are equal. So just divide Z by E and take the inverse of this and you will be able to tell which one is the highest radii, which is the smallest. So C4 minus has the highest radius, followed by N3 minus, O2 minus, F minus, then sodium ion, then magnesium ion, then aluminum ion, and then silicon 4 plus. Keep in mind that in isoelectronic species, higher the positive charge, smaller the radii, higher the negative charge, larger the radii. So in this case, C4 minus has the highest radii and Si4 plus has the smallest. Next is scandium 3 plus will be smaller than calcium 2 plus. Calcium 2 plus will be smaller than potassium plus. Now coming to hydrogen, hydrogen has 1 electron, He plus has 2 electron, but 1 is missing, so He plus has 1 electron. Lithium has 3, so 2 electron removed, that means it has 1 electron. Beryllium has 4, 3 removed, so it has 1 electron. So hydrogen, helium plus, lithium 2 plus and beryllium 3 plus all have 1 electron. They are called uni-electron system or hydrogenic species. Now in one of the question of EAMCET, O2 minus has been given as 1.4 angstrom and they were asking what is the probable radii of Si4 plus. As you can know very well, both are isoelectronic with 10 electrons. So what you need to do here, O2 minus will be larger in size because it's an ion, so its radii will be more, and Si4 plus will be quite smaller, so it will always be less than 1.4 angstrom. So you have to choose the answer which is below 1.4 angstrom. So the answer here is 0.41 angstrom, 0.41 angstrom. Now coming to the next question, that is number of radial nodes. So you have to remember the formula. Number of radial nodes is given by principal quantum number minus azimuthal quantum number minus 1. Number of angular nodes is equal to azimuthal quantum number. If you want to calculate the total nodes, it is given by the number of radial nodes plus number of angular nodes. So it is equal to n minus 1. So one of the TS EAMCET 2015 question was find the radial nodes in 3p orbital. So what you will do, you know that for 3p the principal quantum number is 3 and azimuthal quantum number is 1. So put in that formula n minus l minus 1. So 3 minus 1 minus 1. So it becomes 1. So this way you can solve few of the questions. In my upcoming video also I will be uploading more EAMCET questions like this. Another question which was asked is to calculate the number of angular and radial nodes of 4d orbitals. This was asked in 2014. So as you know, for 4d the principal quantum number is 4 and azimuthal quantum number is 2. So angular nodes will be equal to 2 and radial nodes n minus l minus 1, that means 4 minus 2 minus 1, that means 1. So answer is third, that is C, 2 and 1 respectively. So this was asked in 2014. Now let's look at the next question. What is the atomic number of element with symbol UUS? UUS means unseptium. Un is for 1, un is for 1 and as septium is for 7. So the symbol atomic number of the element with symbol UUS is 117. This was asked in TS 2016. Now next question is the successive ionization value of an element M are 8.3, 25.1, 37.9, 259.3 and 340.1 electron volt. What is the formula of its bromide? So they are asking formula of its bromide. So you have to see in this case that the value of successive ionization energy gives us the idea about the number of valence electron. So if there is a sudden jump, that means like after third we are seeing that there is a sudden jump from 37.9 to 259. Therefore this particular element M has 3 valence electron and its for bromide will be MBr3. MBR3. Thank you for watching this video. More videos I am bringing on MSET questions. So do like and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you student, and all the best for your MSET exam upcoming.